Once upon a time, in a big green forest, lived a tiny squirrel named Nibbles. Nibbles loved collecting nuts, but one day, he saw a baby bird stuck on the ground. All the other animals were too scared to help, but Nibbles remembered how his mother once saved him. With a brave little leap, he climbed the tree, nudged the baby bird back into its nest, and chirped happily. The baby bird's mother sang a beautiful song, thanking Nibbles. From that day, Nibbles wasn't just a nut collector, he was the forest's little hero.